If a creator is successful, they know what their audience wants. They create content for them. And so the most savvy creators, frankly, already kind of have a good sense in terms of here's like the questions that they're asking me in my comments. Here's the content formats that I've been doing the best. Here's what people are DMing me about. And so there's likely already hints of like what are the things that are your audience's pain points by just how you're interacting with them today. And so what I would do is maybe start with that. Maybe actually look at the comments, look at the percentages of like engagement on like certain types of content, and try to distill something from there as your hypothesis. And so then I would even go use AI for research and say, okay, I think this is kind of roughly like what my audience is. They are, 18 to 35-year-old men who care about X. They live in Y city. Like that data is somewhere within the creator kind of stack, right? Like whether on YouTube or another social platform. And then you can start to build out personas. Okay, cool. Like here's like 3 personas that already exist. I think this is kind of what they're solving for. Maybe let's use AI to beef that out a little bit. Okay, what other problems would they have? What kind of products do you think that we should build for them? And so I would actually get that ready to go before you even go reach out to people.
In terms of the AI products that you would use for that kind of assessment or research, as simple as tossing into chat, tossing it into Gemini, what would you recommend there?
Any model that has deep research associated to it. So I like ChatGPT's deep research model. It actually isn't a model; it's just like a way that they work with the model. I think they have it on like the more expensive version of the subscription. But potentially they've also rolled it out in like their normal SKU.
Yeah, there's a free version. I think there's like 4 or 5 maybe
you could use
a day. All right. I think you just click the DeepSeek option, which is super
exactly.
powerful.
Exactly. Yeah. So you could use DeepSeek, any deep research reasoning model, or it literally will take 20 minutes and go to research and come back. And even before then, like very tactically, I'm thinking about, I want to maybe build a different subsection of our business, right? Like I just talked to ChatGPT about everything that was in my brain. I hit voice note or like the voice button on it on web or on mobile. I just spoke to it and I said, just grill me with questions to make my thinking a little bit more crystallized. I did that for 20 minutes. And then I said, okay, cool. Deep research. Now come back to me with an output that has, in this case, it'd be like, here's like, give me the user personas, give me the research, give me the market sizing, give me the personas, give me all these things. And then that is your initial set of kind of, okay, now I have a sense of maybe what they would want. And so now let me go reach out to them. And so we can talk about what to ask them and everything, but I think you can get a pretty good direction right off the bat by just using the tools you already have existing today and the data you have on your audience.